What is lead nurturing and how does it fit into your marketing strategy? Most businesses, when they're posting content, they think that they're marketing when they're actually nurturing. So what's the difference? So nurturing is very important, and I'm going to show you how you can take a lead and turn them into a referral quality lead, but I'm going to make sure that you also understand the difference between nurturing and marketing. Marketing being you're getting in front of people who've never heard of you before. So there are a lot of misconceptions about lead nurturing and what marketing is, so let's address some of those. Lead nurturing just means sending follow-up emails. So of all the ways that you can nurture your following, nurture your email list or nurture your Facebook friends or your LinkedIn connections, I would say email is the best way to nurture that because you control that. That type of nurturing I'm going to call staying top of mind. If you send out a weekly email, even if it's a weekly newsletter, you can stay top of mind and keep your email list active. But if we're talking about nurturing cold leads into warm or even referral quality leads, how do you do that type of nurturing? Is there a way that you can market like that and build relationships on autopilot? If you're posting regularly on social media, you're doing marketing. How many people do you know that are doing Facebook marketing or some other social platform where they have a lot of great content, they have this content generation engine, and they're regularly posting on social media? And you've probably been jealous about, why can't I do that? Or you've probably felt a little bit jealous of, why can't I create that much content? But maybe this will help you feel better. That is not actually marketing, because when you have Facebook friends and you post something, it's only a percentage of those people that are seeing it, but all these people know who you are. They're your Facebook friends. So marketing is getting in front of people who've never heard of you before. Otherwise, you're nurturing. So you're staying top of mind. You're trying to turn those friends into clients maybe if you're using it for business, but that doesn't work very well. You've got to be real creative. You've got to always think of the next best thing. Let's look at one more misconception. Being top of mind equals being visible to new leads. Okay, so those are two different things. People that know you, that follow you, that are subscribed to you in some way, if you're regularly posting content or sending out emails, you're staying top of mind with these people. But that's it. How does that relate to being visible to new leads, right? That's what you want to do to market, is to be in front of new people who've never heard of you before. Now there's three ways that that can happen. You can do paid ads and you can pay to be in front of new people. You can go viral, and that's not ever ideal because you don't control who these people are, and the content that goes viral is not the content that you hope will go viral. So the third way is search. Okay, if people are searching for you, you can create the content that they will find. So the best way of doing this is honing in on your target audience. What are they searching for? And you can create content that matches exactly those people. Now let's talk about the paid advertising side of things for a minute. You're not really able to nurture them at all. They've never heard of you before and you interrupt them, right? Whether they're on Facebook or they're watching a YouTube video or they're watching the Super Bowl or they're driving down the highway and they see a billboard, right? Any type of this advertising, you're interrupting them, so they put up their defenses. They weren't wanting this, you're just putting it in their face and they're having to deal with it. Now, if you do happen to generate a lead that way, that's the lowest quality lead that you can generate because you interrupted them and you just happen to get lucky, like, yeah, I guess I am looking for this thing. I am kind of interested in this thing, but they're really annoyed by this whole interaction. And now they have the option to buy. Have they been nurtured at all? Is there any relationship there? No. So they're very unlikely to buy or to make that purchase. So how can we nurture these cold leads into warm leads or into referral quality leads? Well, the LEAF strategy that I teach, what we do with that method is we do keyword research to find the questions that your target audience is asking. And these are really, really specific questions. The cool thing about ChatGPT and AI Overview is we're getting way more specific on our searches. So whether people go to ChatGPT, they go to Google, or they're asking questions on YouTube, oftentimes now they're typing in a 10-word question. So all we have to do is make a video that answers that question, and we don't do any sales. We're not telling them about our programs, our services. We don't even tell them about us, our credentials, or anything. We're focused on answering that question in that video. And what that does is it builds a relationship. They don't feel like they're being sold to. We're giving them value. We're giving them exactly what they asked for, and they really appreciate it. Maybe they've spent 10 minutes with us. It's like a one-on-one conversation, just like you and me right now. I'm not giving you a presentation, or I hope it doesn't feel that way. I'm not reading a script or anything like that, but I'm just having this conversation with you about nurturing versus marketing. So in this case, somebody did a search, they found this video, and you really give them a lot of value and answer their question. At the end of that video, you can give them a free gift. Hey, now that you understand how to do blank, I've got a free gift that's going to help you implement this. Go to this page and get this free resource. So now they're a lead, they're on your email list, and you can continue to nurture them in that way and stay top of mind. But you've already built a relationship of trust. They already know who you are. And if you send them a calendar link and they schedule a call with you, now you're having a conversation with somebody that already trusts you, that's already been nurtured in a really positive way. How do I know if I'm doing real marketing or just nurturing? Okay, so nurturing is really important, but how do you know if you're marketing? Well, is your email list growing? That's the biggest indicator. How many new people have subscribed to your email list? What is the first step to building a lead nurturing strategy? Well, you've got to follow the LEAF strategy when you do the keyword research. So you've got to know how to find the right questions so that you know that you're targeting your very specific target audience. You're not just going too broad and attracting the wrong people. Should I separate my content for new versus returning leads? Now that is an interesting question. YouTube gives you the ability to do this, and I can show you. All right, let me introduce you to Jason Schroeder. He's a consultant in the construction world. His YouTube channel is doing extremely well. He has more leads than he can handle. Those are his words. Okay, if I go to his content tab, you'll see this video right here that is scheduled. If I click on details, which allows me to edit the video, I'm going to scroll way down. I'm going to hit show more and keep scrolling even further. Okay, right here. Notice this checkbox. It says publish to subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. So that means I've got YouTube subscribers. Is this video going to nurture them, or do I want to uncheck that box because it's only meant to market, to go to new people who are finding this video through search? The majority of the videos that we launch across all the 60 different channels that I produce, the majority of those videos are going to be unchecked, but we do check this box when it's a nurturing video. So now they understand the difference between nurturing and marketing and how to nurture in the right way. I'm really excited for you to learn the 5 ingredients of my LEAF strategy. I've created another episode. It's called Dominate YouTube Search Step by Step. I'll link to that video right there. If you watch that video, you'll learn the LEAF strategy, these 5 ingredients on how to get your videos ranking at the top of YouTube search and attracting these people that we've been talking about, these people that are searching for you that are going to become these referral quality leads. So definitely go watch that video next.